Welcome to Staub Manufacturing Solutions. As a nationally recognized leader in the manufacturing industry, we provide today's top OEMs with medium to high volume production of fabricated components, complex weldments, and complete product assemblies. We offer hassle-free sourcing from our facilities strategically located in Dayton, Ohio. When you work with us, you can count on quality parts being made right and delivered on time, so you can focus on growth, not supplier problems. We've been in business for more than 26 years, and because we do what's right, we have a 96% customer retention rate. We have an experienced, stable team to work with. Our employee turnover rate for 2022 was 3%. Select a supplier that gets it right the first and every time. You deserve the excellent service levels, timely production schedules, and consistently high quality parts that you want and expect. Staub Manufacturing, the fabrication supplier you can count on.